Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna go to San Valentino Torio and my camera broke down in a little accident. So I'm filming today with my mobile phone, so today's gonna be shaky cam. Woo! I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna eat a lot of stuff that is not good for your health but so tasty, a lot of carbs, and welcome to Italy. So guys, we finally arrived at San Valentino and gonna have a little breakfast because I'm starving. Yeah, if this video gets 20 likes, I'm gonna make Zeppela at home. Leave a comment, leave a like, and we will gonna make Zeppela and I will show you how to do it. I will show you. It was worth it, totally. The best thing you can do in San Valentino is to go to someone's home and eat what they cook from their own fields, because even if not everyone is a farmer, most of people do have a little ground where they grow their own vegetables. So the best food, freshest food you will ever get is if you go at someone's home and eat there. Look at my cabbages! So as you guys can see, it's really heavy raining and I decided to edit some videos, and let's see if later in the day we gonna do something. We're gonna eat something. What else did you expect? We're gonna have some panzerotti that I'm gonna show you. It's easier to show you than explain. I'm not really hungry, but for you guys, just for you, I'm gonna make this sacrifice. Yeah. And afterwards we're gonna eat a baba, because you have to see the baba of Mario. Sounded creepy but wasn't. He makes the best baba in whole Italy, and trust me, this man makes since 50 years only baba. If someone knows how to make them, this is the guy. So guys, if you wanna enjoy nice little park, go to La Villa. There's water, palms, and everything else you could ask for. It's a beautiful place, and I'm gonna enjoy a little snack. Look at this, so beautiful. And this is where my booty comes. It isn't right when the bag doesn't become see-through, you know. Okay. I hope you can hear the crisp. So these things are kind of pizza dough, but more liquid and yeah, deep fried. These little things here are smashed potatoes. Super squishy, super tasty. Croquettes. No. This is pizza dough with sausage in it. Yeah, that's basically it. And to be honest, I don't know what this is. It's filled with something and I don't know what. Let's find out. So yeah, the big one is filled with tomato sauce, sausages and croquettes. So it's carbs with fat and carbs and fat and carbs. A little bit sauce. Okay, this was way too much, but I told you we're gonna get a baba, so we're gonna get a baba. And we're gonna walk there, so I have a little time to digest. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, it's raining. A baba is a little cake that is wetted by sugar water with rum. It's a dish typically for Napoli. Okay guys, there's this really amazing burger shop, burger house here in San Valentino, but there's no way possible I will be able to fit also burger in here. So I'm just gonna have some ice cream and then go home with the belly full till here. Oh my god. Fuck. There's this new taste I didn't know yet. Apple and cinnamon. And damn, it's good. Creamiest ice you will ever get. I forgot to tell you guys something what makes this town so special for me. For example, the ice cream and the baba. That's all family recipes were given nobody. This ice cream is generations of experience and love to the subject, and that's what it's all about. I hope you enjoyed the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. As always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Don't click the bell. I don't like the bell. Don't click the bell. Stupid shit I've ever seen. Yeah. Ciao, cacao. Ciao.